In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a bid on eBay. Whether you're new to online auctions or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide that's easy to follow. First, log in. Access your eBay account by visiting the eBay website on your preferred web browser. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts on the homepage. Once logged in, you're ready to find that special item you've been eyeing. Next, search for the item you want to bid on. Use the search bar at the top of the page to input keywords related to the item you're interested in. Results can vary widely, so take your time scrolling until you find the exact item that meets your needs and preferences. Remember, eBay hosts millions of listings, so refining your search filters can save you a lot of browsing time. Once you've located a promising listing, check if it's an auction listing rather than a buy it now. You'll typically find this information on the listing page near the item's price. Auction listings will have the word auction indicated, signaling that bids are accepted. This is key because only auction listings allow for bidding. Otherwise, you'd be purchasing the item immediately at the listed price. Confirming it's an auction, click the Place Bid button. This indicates your interest in participating in the auction and takes you to a page where you can enter your bid amount. Decide on the maximum amount you're willing to pay for the item. This is crucial because eBay's bidding system is automatic. It will start with the current bid amount and only increase your bid as needed to keep you in the lead until your maximum is reached. Consider what the item is worth to you and set your maximum bid accordingly to avoid overbidding. With your maximum bid entered, click Place Bid again to confirm your decision. This second confirmation ensures that you're committed to spending that amount if necessary. After confirming, you will see where your bid stands. Finally, remember that eBay handles increments automatically. The platform will increase your bid just enough to maintain your position as the highest bidder, only going up when necessary up to your maximum bid amount. This means you won't have to constantly monitor the auction or manually adjust your bid. And there you have it. The process is straightforward, but always keep your budget in mind and be aware of the auction's closing time.